exponents positive. We start out with x squared raised to the negative 3 power, yx raised to the second power, and then x to the 0, which equals 1, which doesn't affect any of these, so we will leave that off. We have x squared y to the negative 2 power times xy to the negative 2 power raised to the third power. So starting back at the top, x to the second power raised to the negative 3 gives us x to the negative 6. Y to the first power raised to the second is y squared. X to the first power raised to the second will be x squared. Then we have x squared, y to the negative 2, y to the first power raised to the third, x to the first power raised to the third would be x to the third. And y to the negative 2 power raised to the third becomes y to the negative 6th power. We'll combine any of our exponentials that have the same base. Like on top, we have x to the negative 6 and x to the second would give us x to the negative 4th and y squared. On the bottom, we have x to the second and x to the third. That gives us x to the 5th. And then we have y to the negative 2 and y to the negative 6 gives us y to the negative 8. Our direction tells us to have all the exponents positive, so we need to move some around. We're going to take the x to the negative 4 to the bottom. It becomes x to the positive 4 combined with x to the positive 5th gives us x to the 9th. We will take our y to the negative 8th up to the top. It becomes y to the positive 8 combined with y to the second gives us y to the 10th.
I want you guys to watch this over and over and over until you catch everything she does. When I do this in my notes, I use different colors of ink to sort of specify what she's doing visually. But this is, it's not hard, it's just something that you have to get used to doing the steps of. And I want you to watch it over and over and over and over until you understand this concept, because we're going to be seeing a lot of this. Okay.